Hi everyone. So I've spent the last week in Kauai with my family, and it came to me that I have been doing things all wrong, especially since I've been reading The Power of Now again for the second time. What I've been doing wrong is I have been just so focused and fixated on, what the next thing is and my to-do list, and not paying attention to what truly matters the most, which is the present moment. So I want to read something to you. Wow, look at my hair. I want to read something to you that really stood out for me in the book, okay? Time isn't precious at all because it is an illusion. What you perceive as precious is not time, but the one point that is out of time, the now. That is precious indeed. The more you are focused on time, past and future, the more you miss the now, the most precious thing there is. Why is it the most precious thing? Firstly, because it is the only thing. It's all there is. The eternal present is the space within which your whole life unfolds. The one factor that remains constant. Life is now. There was never a time when your life was not now, nor will there ever be. Secondly, the now is the only point that can take you beyond the limited confines of the mind. It is your only point of access into the timeless and formless realm of being. Yes, it definitely helps to be in this amazing scenery, but truly with effort and awareness, we can be present. We can be more present. We just need to be intentional with how we do it. So for me, lesson learned that I need to stop being so caught up in the next thing and my to-do list and my goals. When I go back home, I just really need to appreciate what the present moment has in store, because truly that really is all we have. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks.